In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add events to your Outlook calendar automatically in Calendly. If you're using Calendly to schedule meetings, you probably want those events to show up in your Outlook calendar without any extra work. Connecting the two makes sure you never double book yourself and always see your true availability in one place. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, your Calendly events will sync straight into Outlook. First, sign into your Calendly account in a web browser. Once you're logged in, look for the navigation or menu area, usually at the top or side of the screen, and find the option labeled Integrations and Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Calendly keeps all the tools it can connect to, including your calendars, video conferencing apps, and more. When the integrations page loads, you'll see a search bar or a list of available apps. In the search field, type Outlook Calendar. Be sure you choose the option that matches the Outlook or Microsoft 365 account you actually use for your schedule. Typing the name in the search box will filter the results so you can quickly find the correct Outlook calendar integration. Once you see the Outlook calendar integration appear in the results, click on it to open the detailed view. This page usually gives a short description of what the integration does and may highlight features like checking for conflicts or adding events automatically. Take a quick moment to confirm that this is indeed the calendar you use day to day. On this page, you'll see a button that says Get It Now. Click on Get It Now to start the connection process. This will take you to Microsoft's Marketplace or a Microsoft sign-in page where Calendly's Outlook add-in is hosted. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to sign in to your Microsoft or Outlook account, grant Calendly permission to access your calendar, and confirm the installation of the add-in. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what access you're allowing. Once you've completed these steps, Calendly will be linked to your Outlook calendar. After the setup finishes, create a quick test event in Calendly and check your Outlook calendar to make sure it appears. If it does, you're all set, and your future Calendly bookings will automatically show up in Outlook.